In this video, I will show you how to highlight multiples of a specific number in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a list of prices of a stock at various times. Now I want to highlight only price values that are multiples of 5, for example 5, 10, 15, etc. To do that, I will use the Excel mod function. The mod function returns the remainder of two numbers after division. This function accepts two arguments, a number and a divisor. For example, this mod formula will return 0 as a remainder if we divide the number 10 by 5 because the number 10 is a multiple of 5. However, this mod formula will return 1 as the remainder if we divide the number 11 by 5. So, I will divide the price value by 5 and get the remainder using the mod function. If the remainder is 0, then the price is multiple of 5, otherwise it is not. Let's create a formatting rule based on this. Select the range of the cells containing the price. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option and then select the new rule menu item. Select the user formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will use this formula that gets the remainder of the price divided by 5 using the mod function and then compare it with 0. If the price contained in the B3 cell is a multiple of 5, this formula will return true, otherwise it will return false. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background, select the Fill tab from the top. Select a background color to apply to the price values. I am going to choose the light red color. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the price value is a multiple of 5. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the prices that are multiples of 5 are highlighted in a light red color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic. So if we modify any highlighted price and make it non-multiple of 5, the format will be removed automatically like this. Similarly, if we change any other price value and make it a multiple of 5, it will be highlighted in a light red color like this. To remove the conditional formatting from these cells, select all the prices again. Now click the conditional formatting option from the Home tab and then select the Clear Rules menu item. Since we want to remove the conditional formatting rule from the selected price cells, I will select the Clear Rules from Selected Cells option. As you can see, the conditional formatting is now removed from the price cells. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.